This is Sarfraz Hafiz, and today we will start a new topic uh, which is based on the value based questions. So let's start a trip to Bhopal chapter. In this chapter, there is some basic calculations like as the data is given class first, second, third, fourth, fifth, number of students 30, 33, 32, 42, 50, and 53. So there are a total number of children's. Then children will be add 33, 32, 42, 50 and 53. We will add all these data. Uh, Carry on 3, 6, 10, 20 and 21. Then total number of students is 210. One bus take only 50 students or 50 children. Then how many bus we need? Then number of buses is equal to 210 upon 50. Then it will give you the 4.2. Then approximate we will need the 4 buses. Then approximation of 4.2 will be 4 buses to settle down the 210 students. Now we'll move to the third part. Will there be any child left without seat? Yes. How many children will left without seat? 10 students will left without seat, because in a single bus we can use only 50 students. Then we need to 4 bus and 10 students will remain. Now the next part depend on the value based on the board. Now the next part depend on the value based on the board. Read out the first question. How much did they pay for the boat? Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the car boat. Then total money for the motor boat and oar boat. The motor boat cost is 25 rupees and boat with oars is 15 rupees. Then we will total pay the 40 rupees for that. Now we will move to the next part. How much time did they get for the boat ride? Then the time for the oar boat 45 minutes and the motor boat timing is 20 minutes. Then we will take 65 minutes to ride on both boat. Now we will move to the next part. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? Total money they paid for the double-decker trip is 450 rupees. And the cost for the double decker is 30 rupees for per student. Then total number of students will come in. Number of students, we always find out the number of students by dividing the total money upon money of one student. Then it will give you the 15 students or 15 child will use the double decker boat for 45 minutes in amount 450 rupees. Then which boat takes two trips in 1 hour? Then we will move to the table. Which boat will take the 2 trip in 1 hour? It will be the paddle boat. Now the next part. Which boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour. That means the boat take the less than the half hour. Then it is the motor boat. We will move to the next part. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? It is the boat with oars. It takes the least money with the more time. Then the fourth part will be boat with horse. The 40 rupees he can use only 25 and 15 rupees boat and take the total timing is 50 minutes. Then it will be the second boat and third boat. The amount of second and third boat 15 plus 25 is equal to the 40 rupees. Time will be 30 plus 20 equal to 50 minutes. Now we will move to the another value based questions. There are 4 very old cave painting. Mark the oldest one. Which will be the oldest one? The maximum in number or bigger in number will be the oldest one. Then the part C will be, then the one bus can take only 48 students. How many children can 3 buses carry? Then surely it will be the 150 students, which is the near about of 48 in one bus. Then in 3 bus we can use the 150 student. Third part, which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? 321 and 192. It will give you the 37513. Then the answer B is correct. So it is all about the some basic ideas which can be helpful to the student of class 4th, 5th and 6th to clear his logic. If you are the new viewer of my channel, share, subscribe and share with others. Thanks a lot and have a good day.